Bonjour. Aujourd'hui, j'ai une présentation à vous montrer sur Tim Hortons. And when we get to Quebec, hopefully this will help you order your breakfast the first day. So, the first thing is some vocabulary. You always want to greet people respectfully, and that's when you come in. Before you start ordering, you say bonjour, monsieur, or bonjour, madame. And then you're going to want to use instead of je veux, which is just I want, you would want to use je voudrais, which is I would like. Je voudrais, and then whatever it is that you want. And then your sentence was s'il vous plaît. So, like if you wanted the number 2 combo, you could say je voudrais le numéro 2, le combo numéro 2, or just le numéro 2. And then you would also want to include like what drink you wanted, like avec un café moyen, or it's a medium coffee, or avec un petit café, or un café grand, un grand café. How much is it? C'est combien? They'll probably just tell you, but even when I'm there and they're talking really fast, I just look at the little display to make sure I understand what they're saying. And then when you're done, you say merci, madame, bonne journée. Couple things too with French in Quebec versus French in France. Breakfast is le déjeuner, lunch is le dîner, and dinner is le souper. Whereas in France, it's le petit déjeuner, le déjeuner, et le dîner. So this is the basics of a Tim Hortons menu. They have café, coffee, thé. I'm going across the top here. You can probably see. A café, thé, boisson chaude de spécialité, hot specialty drinks, boisson froide de spécialité, cold specialty drinks, déjeuner, breakfast, sandwich, wrap et plus, salade et accompagnement, salads and sides, soup et bol chaud, soups and hot bowls, collation et pâtisserie, snacks and pastries. And then they have some other things. Service du traiteur is catering, and nutrition et bien-être is like health and well-being, nutrition and well-being. So these are your options for café, mélange original, café de torréfaction foncé, that's their dark roast, and mélange décaffiné. And you can read on here, the different expressions that they have about it. But that's basically it. Then you have tea, thé en feuilles infusées, thé de spécialité, and team à la maison. So the third one is like if you want to buy things to take home. Here's some other hot drinks. This is their specialty hot drinks: latte, vanille française, et cappuccino. And so they're pretty much what you would think that they are. Then here's their ice drinks: cappuccino glacé, team glacé, givré au frais fruits, limonade glacée, smoothie aux fruits fait avec du yaourt grec, du yaourt in France, but I guess they say yogurt in Quebec, chocolat crémeux givré. And so the fruit one, you could get ananas, orange et goyave, ou bleuet et grenade. So that's blueberries and pomegranate for that. And ananas is pineapple. Okay, so these are some of their breakfast specialties. Petit matin is like a breakfast sandwich. You can get different. It says choisissez parmi is among, différentes viandes, different meats, sur petit pain déjeuner, on a breakfast roll, muffin anglais, English muffin, ou bagel. Then they have their bagel petit matin BLT, which is, they say, un déjeuner de 5 étages, a breakfast of 5 levels. Bacon, galette d'œuf, that's like eggs, assaisonnés, seasoned eggs, laitue, tomate, et du fromage fondu, le tout empilé sur un bagel. So it's like melted cheese, tomato, lettuce, etc. Wrap matin frais grillé. So this is like a breakfast wrap. Matin is morning, so wrap matin grillé. And so they prepare those for you as you order them. So you get choices of like the meats and cheeses and everything that goes in it. Gruau maison is like oatmeal. And it says un gruau comme celui de grand-maman, just like your grandmother makes. Cuit lentement, slowly cooked. Il est offert à saveur d'érable et aux fruits des champs. So saveur is like flavor. It looks like savor. It means flavor. Érable is something you're going to see everywhere. It's blueberry. And fruits du champ is like berries. And then galette de pommes de terre, that's like a hash brown. And then collation déjeuner is like breakfast snacks. And so these are the collations et pâtisseries, the snacks and pastries. Timbits are like munchkins. Beignes is their word for bagel, beignes. Muffins, biscuits, cookies. Pâtisserie, there's our pastries, and bagel. And then there's a few other things for le dîner, sandwich. Those are done by demand. Wraps, un wrap, un sandwich. Lanière de poulet is like chicken tenders. It's all white breast meat. It says de tendre lanière de poitrine de poulet entière, panée à la perfection dans une chapelure croustillante et servie avec la sauce de votre choix. So you get sauces too. Salade fraîche, quartier. Quartier is like sides. Soup et chili. And that's it. So at the end of this presentation, if you link up to it, you can do a Quizlet site, you can visit a website, and you can also watch a video on ordering in the restaurant. Okay, well, I can't wait to get traveling with you. Bon voyage!